Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Stories Podcast. We're so happy you're here today.
In our last episode, we learned how to talk about cooking dinner. Today, we're going to talk about something everyone looks forward to, the weekend.
Weekends are a great time to relax, have fun, and spend time with family and friends.
In this episode, you'll learn useful vocabulary, everyday expressions, and simple conversations about weekend plans. As always, we'll speak slowly and clearly. So, let's get started.
David, the weekend is almost here. Do you have any plans?
Yes, I do. I'm really looking forward to it.
That's great. What are you going to do?
On Saturday morning, I'm going to sleep a little later than usual. I don't have to wake up early.
That sounds nice. I enjoy sleeping in on weekends too.
After breakfast, I'm going to meet a friend for coffee. We haven't seen each other for a long time.
Where are you going to meet?
At a small cafe near the park. It's quiet and the coffee is really good.
That sounds like a perfect place. What are you going to do after that?
We're going to take a walk in the park. If the weather is nice, we might have a picnic.
I love spending time outdoors. Fresh air always makes me feel relaxed.
What about you? Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes. On Saturday afternoon, I'm going to visit my parents. We usually have lunch together and talk for a few hours.
That's wonderful. I'm sure they'll be happy to see you.
I think so. Family time is very important to me.
What about Sunday?
On Sunday, I'm going to clean my apartment, read a book, and watch a movie in the evening.
That sounds like a relaxing weekend.
Yes, I like weekends because they help me recharge for the new week.
Let's review some useful words and expressions from today's conversation. Weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Example, I like to relax on the weekend. Look forward to feel excited about something in the future. Example, I'm looking forward to the weekend. Sleep in, to sleep later than usual. Example, I like to sleep in on Sundays. Meet a friend, to spend time with a friend. Example, I'm going to meet a friend this afternoon. Take a walk, to go for a walk outside. Example, we usually take a walk after lunch. Have a picnic, to eat a meal outside. Example, we're going to have a picnic in the park. Spend time outdoors, to enjoy being outside. Example, I enjoy spending time outdoors. Recharge, to rest and get your energy back. Example, the weekend helps me recharge.
David, do you ever make plans at the last minute?
Sometimes, but I usually like to plan my weekend a few days early.
Really? Why's that?
Because it helps me use my time better. I know what I want to do, and I don't waste time.
That makes sense. Do you ever travel on weekends?
Yes, sometimes I visit a nearby town or go to the beach.
That sounds fun. I enjoy short trips too.
Do you prefer busy weekends or quiet weekends?
I usually prefer quiet weekends. I like reading, listening to music, and relaxing at home.
I'm a little different. I enjoy trying new restaurants or visiting new places.
Do you ever go shopping on weekends?
Yes, sometimes I go to the supermarket or shopping mall.
I usually buy groceries on Saturday morning. It's less crowded than in the afternoon.
That's a good idea. What do you usually do on Sunday evening?
I prepare for the new week. I check my calendar, make a to-do list, and get everything ready.
That's a great habit. It helps you start Monday without stress.
Exactly. A little planning makes the whole week easier.
Let's learn some more useful expressions. Plan ahead, to decide what you will do before it happens. Example, I like to plan ahead for the weekend. Short trip, a trip that lasts for a short time. Example, we took a short trip to the beach. Go shopping, to visit stores and buy things. Example, I'm going shopping on Saturday afternoon. Buy groceries, to buy food and other things for your home. Example, I buy groceries every weekend. Shopping mall, a large building with many stores. Example, my friends and I went to the shopping mall. Prepare for the new week, to get ready for work or school. Example, I prepare for the new week every Sunday evening. Check my calendar, to look at my schedule. Example, I check my calendar before making plans. Start the week, to begin a new week. Example, a good plan helps me start the week with confidence. Now it's time to practice speaking. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Sentence 1. I'm looking forward to the weekend. Sentence 2. I usually sleep in on Sunday. Sentence 3. I'm going to meet my friends this weekend. Sentence 4. I enjoy spending time outdoors. Sentence 5. I'm going to buy groceries on Saturday. Sentence 6. I like to plan my weekend early. Sentence 7. On Sunday evening, I prepare for the new week. Sentence 8. Weekends help me relax and recharge.
Excellent. Now answer these questions in English. What are your plans for this weekend? Who do you usually spend your weekend with? What's your favorite weekend activity? Great job!
Now let's listen to a short story. Try to understand the main idea. Just relax and enjoy listening. Sarah works hard from Monday to Friday. She always looks forward to the weekend. On Saturday morning, she sleeps in until 8 o'clock. Then she makes a healthy breakfast and drinks a cup of tea. Later, she meets her best friend at a small cafe. They talk, laugh, and enjoy their coffee together. In the afternoon, they walk around a beautiful park. The weather is warm and sunny. They take many photos and enjoy the fresh air. On Sunday morning, Sarah goes grocery shopping. She buys fruit, vegetables, chicken, milk, and bread. After lunch, she reads a new book for an hour. In the evening, she cleans her apartment and prepares for the new week. She checks her calendar and writes a to-do list. Before going to bed, Sarah feels relaxed and happy. She is ready for another busy week.
Sarah had a wonderful weekend.
Yes, she had time to relax, spend time with friends, and prepare for the week ahead.
Let's review today's vocabulary. Weekend. Look forward to. Sleep in. Meet a friend. Take a walk. Have a picnic. Spend time outdoors. Recharge. Plan ahead. Short trip. Go shopping. Buy groceries. Shopping mall. Prepare for the new week. Check my calendar. Start the week. Excellent. Keep listening and keep repeating. Every day, you are becoming a better English speaker.
Thank you for joining us today on English Stories Podcast. We hope you enjoyed today's episode about weekend plans.
Now we'd love to hear from you. What are your plans for this weekend? Tell us in the comments using simple English.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like, follow, and share this podcast with your friends.
Practice a little every day. Small steps lead to big progress.
We'll see you in the next episode of English Stories Podcast.
Goodbye, everyone.
Have a relaxing weekend and happy learning.